So in this video, we are going to learn how to remove duplicates in your data using VBA macros. Okay. So basically, you can see in this data, I created a small data set like code unit, price per unit. Okay. So from this to like for 4-3, you can see this data is almost the half is a duplicates because I created from this 11 to this one, and from 3 4 5 6 from 3 4 5 6 is this data is I copy pasted repeated. So this is all the duplicates you have. Okay, so basically, so whenever you have in your data duplicates, every time you can go with the data and select the data, and that is the another way. But how to use with the VBA code? Okay, so there is a very short and a simple code for the VBA. So let's do it. Go to developer tab and the visual basic, or press alt 11 alt F11. Okay, this is the shortcut. After you click on that, the window is open for visual basics. Is basically this one. Okay, so you can see here we start with the sub duplicates. Okay, this one. So it's basically this lines like defining beginning of the VBA macros name. Okay, we are giving the name of removal duplicates. Now on error resume text, it means like this statement tells the Excel to ignore any runtime error. Okay, so whenever you have the error, that should be ignored. Okay, so like that may be the occur in the following code line to continue with the execution. So in this case, it's used to like handle any potential error that may arise during the removal of duplicates. Okay, so it is just for the handling the error. Now the selection dot remove duplicates dot column. Okay, what is this? So it's basically it's perform the actual removal of duplicates. Okay, so this selection object is referred to currently selected the range in the active worksheet. Whatever we are selecting that range, its selection is for that selection dot then. Okay, then we have this column array1. It's like column argument specify the which column. Okay, which column to consider when identifying the duplicates value. And the array1, it's indicate that the Excel should only check for duplicates in the first column of selection range. Okay, the first column of selection, that's why array1. Okay, then the header is x no is like header is mean like this specify the whether line first row of the range contains column label. Okay, so this is for that, and then end with this end and the sub, and need to control S and give it to your like macros name, whatever you want it. Now after you save this macro, go to the our original data, and now I'm going to selecting this data, control shift down to select all the data. Now just go to the macros, and here you can see I created macros for remove duplicates. This is for the last we learn how to delete the rows, blank rows. Okay, so this is for remove duplicates, and just run it. Now you can see only the 13 rows are the unique one. All whatever we selected, that all are the duplicate. So you can see now these 13 values or 13 rows are the unique we have. Okay, so this is all about how to remove duplicates from your data. Whichever data you have and you have lots of duplicate, you can just select the range and go to macros and select what you saved in your macros and run it. So this is our final result.